Think of two shapes. Are they identical twins or more like a father and son? That's the core question in Year 10 geometry, and it's the key to unlocking how we measure the world. Identical twins are congruent. Every side, every angle, a perfect match. A father and son are similar. Same features, same angles, but one is just a scaled-up version of the other. To prove two triangles are identical, you don't need to measure everything. You just need to pass a specific test, like side angle side. If two sides and the angle trapped between them match, the triangles are certified clones. For similarity, it's about proportion. The easiest test is angle, angle, angle. If two triangles have the same three angles, they are guaranteed to be similar. Same shape, just a different size. So why does this matter? Because with similarity, you can measure the impossible. Imagine you want to know the height of a giant tree. You can't just climb it with a tape measure, but you can measure your own height and your own shadow on the ground. At that same moment, the tree is also casting its shadow. Because the sun's rays hit the ground at the same angle, the triangle you make with your shadow is mathematically similar to the triangle the tree makes with its. If the tree's shadow is 10 times longer than yours, then the tree must be 10 times taller than you. Just like that, you've measured the tree without ever leaving the ground. This same logic applies to triangles hidden inside each other, a common sight in exams. Learning to spot them and prove their relationship isn't just about getting the right answer. It's about building a logical argument, step by step. You're not just learning about triangles, you're learning the fundamental language of proof.